More than 8,000 years ago, China appeared wooden pottery wheel. More than 4,000 years ago, Emperor Xuanyuan invented the wheel with bearings. From the ancient carriage to the age of steam engines, from the long rainbow cross to the powerful bow full of strings, the bearings string the ancient and modern culture. The enterprises reflect the light of the times. At the beginning of the 21st century, along the ancient Beijing-Hangzhou Grand Canal, in the wave of global economic integration, a newcomer in the bearing industry rose rapidly to provide reliable support for industry-changing life, which is Zhongda Bearing Manufacturing Company Limited. Cultivate Brand. Zhongda Bearing is a holding subsidiary of Zhongda Logistics Group, which is located in Linxi, Hebei Province. It is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on the development and manufacturing of high-end insert ball bearings and mounted ball bearings units, specializing in the design and production of high-quality bearings and providing customers with stable and reliable products and overall technical solutions. The products are exported to more than 60 countries and regions, including the United States, Germany, Spain, Japan, Russia, and others, and provide supporting services for many domestic, large-scale, high-end agricultural machinery and fan enterprises. The company keeps moving forward in the bearing manufacturing industry with a running speed. It is a member unit of China Bearing Industry Association, a director unit of China Agricultural Machinery Association, a special precision and special new enterprise in Hebei Province, a science and technology enterprise in Hebei Province, and a development institution of industrial enterprises in Hebei Province. Zhongda Bearing has established a complete quality management system, environmental management system, occupational safety and health management system, and IATF 16949 Automotive Industry Quality System certification, and obtained a number of patents and copyrights, and becoming a leading brand in the industry, integrating research and development, production, sales and service. Refine the technical. Zhongda Bearing uses precision as the ruler and intelligence as the anchor. Witness the power of science in the subtleties. Internationally leading technology is applied in steel pipe sawing, ring precision grinding, CNC lathes, salt bathe quenching, CNC grinding machines, and the manufacturing of high-end bearing equipment using digital connectivity. This achieves intelligent, automatic, and connected turning, grinding, and superfinishing processes. Intelligent automatic online testing and grinding, intelligent automatic inline cleaning and assembly, intelligent automatic bagging and packing. Zhongda Bearing uses intelligent manufacturing equipment to improve product quality and production efficiency. Zhongda Bearing adopts the world-renowned ERP enterprise management system, which opens an efficient production mode of human-machine integration. With the industry-leading blockchain technology, Zhongda Bearing is equipped with a comprehensive product quality tracking and traceability barcode control system and attaches a unique ID card to each product to achieve status tracking and quality control of all aspects of the product. In Zhongda Bearing, every tiny step will undergo a rigorous testing. The international top precision testing equipment do not allow any small defects, and the company's quality testing results have been recognized by many countries and organizations around the world. Zhongda Bearing has a provincial technology research and development center recognized by the Science and Technology Department of Hebei Province, and has the world's leading R&D, test integration and design and manufacturing integration capabilities. The center gathers a research and development team composed of foreign scientific research experts and innovative test engineers to develop new products based on customer needs. Focusing on the field of high-end ball bearing units manufacturing, Zhongda Bearing regards the ultimate experience of customers as the source of its own development, and creates a stable, enterprising, reasonable, and professional technical team. From raw materials to finished products, from the research and development of high-precision technology to advanced intelligent production equipment, from fully automated robotic arm to testing center, more than 20 testing processes, comprehensive control, accurate docking, perfect delivery, the pursuit of the ultimate design concept, precision process standards, comprehensive testing system to ensure the consistency and reliability of products. Zhongda Bearing carves to the extreme, demonstrating the spirit of craftsmanship and strives for innovation, casting industrial support. Brace future. Achieve the enterprise with ingenuity and lead the future with bearings. Zhongda Bearing strives to rank in the forefront of the output and quality of high-end insert ball bearings and mounted ball bearings units in the country, and has always adhered to the corporate mission of providing reliable support for industrial change of life to help China's intelligent manufacturing inherit power and embrace the future. Rely on craftsmanship all the way to moving on. Zhongda Bearing strives for survival with technology and development with innovation. The use of big data and intelligent manufacturing equipment has created a smart factory in the bearing industry. Zhongda Bearing empowers the industry with design, drives industrial upgrading, and builds the future pattern of the industry, inheriting the spirit of craftsmanship, forging scientific and technological dreams, forging ahead with vigor and perseverance, ranking among the forefront of the national bearing manufacturing industry, and striving to become a global high-end insert ball bearings and mounted ball bearing units.